Okay, sweetie. Here's your paintbrush and paints. You have fun. Oh no! What did you do?
I'm an artist, Daddy. Look!
Your mom is going to be so mad. Although… take a blank piece of paper and apply some paint to it. Then add some red. Spread the paint out in small circles. Next, place the paper in a plastic bag. Sweetie, look what I have.
Wow, Daddy, I love it! Whee! Look at the paint! It's going everywhere!
But there's no more mess.
It's not working! Just blow a little harder, dear. Like this, Mommy?
My book! It's soaked! Play nice, sweetie.
But Mommy, my bubbles are broken!
I've already had a shower today.
Oops. Sorry, Mommy.
He's just a child. Take a deep breath. It's okay.
I don't like this toy.
I know what to do. I'll just be a moment. So many bubbles. Oh, this is what I need. This looks perfect. Look what Mommy got.
Ooh! Mom, it's a pig! And it's making bubbles! No way! I'm so excited!
Why don't you play with it?
This is awesome! It's so much fun! We'll be best friends forever. Thank you, Mom!
You're welcome, dear. And now I can read my book.
Thanks for the cake!
Remember to make a wish.
Here goes!
I hope they come true. And your dad has a gift for you both. Do I? Oh, right. This is all I have. Are you kidding me? Sorry, kids.
It's okay, Mom. At least we have cake.
Maybe we can do something. I saw this advertisement. But your beautiful hair. It's the only way. It'll grow back. It's for my babies. This isn't right. Thanks, honey. Don't worry, kids. It's okay.
Presents?
Happy birthday!
This is the best birthday ever! Thanks! I wonder what it is.
We're good parents. The look on their faces. It's all worth it.
Wow, it's a 3D pen! And I got a doll! That's a great present! Thank you!
You're both welcome.
Let's go for a walk, Dolly! I have an idea. Use a 3D pen to draw out thin horizontal lines. Work your way down the paper until you have a shape like this. Then go around the edges of the shape. Once that's done, create smaller shapes just like these. Stick them together and you have a chair. Ideal for a doll. Maybe Dolly wants to sit down after her walk? That's so kind! Thank you! It's amazing! Now she can have some cake. You're the best brother ever! You can't make me!
Come on, sweetie. You need to wash your hands.
I don't want to! Me and Ducky are out of here!
Get back here!
I wish you could fly, Ducky! Save yourself, Ducky!
Ouch! My foot! There's Lego everywhere! All I do is clean up. Hold on. Take a bowl and add jelly soap. Melt the soap and add food coloring. A small drop will do. Stir the soap and dye together. Make sure it's evenly mixed. Once that's done, pour the soap into a large Lego block. Careful not to spill any. Fill the block all the way to the top. And do the same with the other side. Then let it set. Flip the block over and remove the soap. Fun, colorful soap. What do you think?
Lego soap? Gimme!
That's it. Have a good play with it.
Wow! And there's different colors!
Let's try the yellow one.
This is great! I hate being ill.
My poor little guy. You're burning up. That's not good. We need to get you better. Time for Nurse Mommy.
What's that?
I'm joking. I need this. A little bedside humor. This is what we need.
But I don't like that. It's yucky.
But you need to get better. Open wide.
No! Eek! Mom? I don't want it! Ugh. Look, Mommy. I want a soda.
I think I know how to get him to take the medicine. Start with an empty Coke can and open up the middle. Place the cough syrup into the can. Then fold the can back over. And put a straw into the cough syrup. I got you a soda, dear. Drink it all up.
Thanks, Mom.
Good boy.
Tastes different. But I like it. Vroom, vroom!
Oh, this room is a mess!
Hi, Mommy. I know.
I need to go out, but I want this room clean by the time I come back.
But… okay. Nah. This is the biggest tower in the world! Oh no! Mom's back! I need to do something, and fast! This vacuum will be useful. A sock? Wait, this might work! I'll place the sock over the vacuum hose. Then suck up all the Lego pieces. It means I pick them up quickly, and I don't lose them. All I have to do now is slip off the sock. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, I need to hide this.
What a wonderful job.
Huh? Oh, this? Yeah.
You deserve a treat.
Thanks.
Whee! Watch out!
Vroom! Hi, Daddy.
Hello, sweetheart. I got you candy.
Wow, thank you. I want some juice too.
Good girl. What the… It's okay. Oopsie. Sorry, darling.
That was my favorite truck.
I know. Oh, Daddy knows how to fix this. But I need this carton. Remove the cap from a juice carton. Push a wooden skewer into the cap, then slip a straw over the skewer. Then put a cap on the other end of the skewer to make wheels. Next, take the juice carton and apply glue to it. We just need a thin line across the carton. Once that's done, stick the wheels to it. Add another set of wheels to the bottom of the carton. Now take a balloon and push a straw into it. Secure the balloon with a rubber band, and attach that to the juice carton. Look what your old man has.
What is it?
I thought we could have a race. I'll show you. You take this one.
Wow!
If we blow up the balloons, they'll move along the floor. Ready? Look at them go!
I'm winning! Thanks, Daddy!
I wanna play!
Whoa! Take it easy! Here, take this.
Roar! I don't like this anymore.
I said stop it! What? Play with this robot.
Oh! I want it!
Have fun!
Wow, this is so cool!
Now I can do my nails.
This is boring. Play with me!
Why does this keep happening? I've got it! I can use these crisp puffs. Dip the puffs in water, then stick them together. It's like building blocks.
I like building blocks. I'm gonna take this ball.
Phew. That should keep him busy for a while. This is more like it. Relaxing. What is that? Ah!
Got you!
Being a parent can be difficult, but with these hacks, life with your little one can be a little easier. What fun things do your parents do? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.